Okay, guys, what's been going on? Let's talk about Val's Venture. So, first of all, I've been working on the game quite a bit. I have a completely new area I've made since I last made a video covering this. I don't know if I made a tweet or not about it, but there's a new area in the game, lots of art assets, and I reworked the backend that allowed me to display this much stuff at this level of detail. It's not using a tile-based system anymore. It still is there for parts of it, but most of it has been replaced with an object loading system. These little red markers are all individual objects that I use and put together now. It took a decent amount of time to rework the backend to be able to handle this, but it completely works now, and I can build basically really much more complicated levels than I previously could. So I'm very happy with that. So that's how the game's been going for the most part. Let me hide the mouse. So yeah, collision and stuff is all separate too. That's been that way for quite a while though. But this is the new design of the area I've done. So up here I have like the old design. I wasn't quite happy with it. And oh, I see those tiles have been messed up now. But this is like the old design of the area. It's okay, but I knew I could do better. And that's what this area is for. It just looks so much cleaner and better. And I'm almost at a point where I'm ready to start making entities and or enemies, I should say, and start throwing in the game. Start working on combat stuff and basically all that stuff. Everything, the good stuff, to where the actual gameplay gets started instead of just me trying to do art and stuff. So that's the game, basically. And meanwhile, and this is, yeah, just all the assets that are loaded right now. This rock texture in particular took forever to make, but I'm so glad I did it. Everything looks so good because of it. But yeah, and then I have character designs. Val's going to have some friends that's going to go with her, so I designed some characters. Been working on art the last year on and off, just making it better, and some sketches, I guess, but that's not important. This gal right here and this guy I really like. So they're gonna appear at some point, probably. Maybe. Probably. We'll see though. So, and what else do I have? Oh yes, I've been working on more keyboard stuff. I've been looking at some bugs in Xscape lately and stuff, and I have another project which is currently up on my GitHub but is still in too buggy a state to really release or say anything about in a video. Same thing with this. I'm just debugging problems with how Xscape assumes certain things about certain key codes and stuff like that. Anyway, I'll have a full video on that. This is just a quick update video to tell you where I'm at right now, and I haven't had a job for the last 2 months, so I've basically been able to just work on whatever I want. Mostly the game. Mostly the game is where it's all been at, like doing all this art assets, all the level design, the character design stuff, and I'm gonna start working a part-time or full-time job here pretty soon. So development's gonna slow down a bit, but I am hopefully gonna have these done in like the next couple weeks, maybe. I don't know how hard it's gonna be to work on all this, but anyway, that's just my update video. Peace out.